Hi everyone, today I have for you a unboxing video. Today's unboxing video is Sent with Love by Nat. So I've known this person from social media for about 10 or so years now, and I thought to support a friend and buy their products by them. So if you look on Facebook or Instagram, that is their brand, Sent with Love by Nat. And yeah, let's get to unboxing. Hopefully I don't ruin the sticker. Yes. So I have that from small business stickers. I got the first one. This might be my bath bomb, I'm not too sure. Yeah. So this looks like the bath bomb that I ordered. So it looks like they've made it into a seashell, which is really nice. And it's orange looking, so it might be orange scented. Oh, it's peach. I love peach. So yeah, that's really great. I love that. And I really like the ribbon, it gives that pop of colour, so makes me want to buy it again. Next thing, what is it? So this is the wax melts. I ordered 6, 3 are for me and 3 are for my partner, because you know, Valentine's Day you can't really go out to the shops because it's not essential. So I ordered everything online. These are the final bits, and yeah, so I wonder what waxes I got. Okay, so first ones look like this. They smell absolutely amazing. See, if I blind reacted or blind smelt this, I think strawberry bonbon. And the scents are so accurate, and I didn't smell the bath bomb, but I can't really smell the bath bomb because of the cellophane, but they smell absolutely amazing. And I've also got a couple bubblegum ones as well. And a couple mint chocolate chip. Final thing is some snow fairy bath salt. So I did order some bath salts, but I left Nat to choose the scent, and spot on. I absolutely love snow fairy, and if it smells like Lush's snow fairy, then my mother will be absolutely jealous. But yeah, the ingredients and everything is on the back. That's what the salts look like. That smells absolutely amazing. It smells just like it. So this is pretty much everything that I ordered from Nat, or Sent with Love by Nat. And yeah, so definitely go check them out, buy a few things. And yeah, I'll film another one